Okay, today we're going to learn how to do our hot and cold pack. The first direction is going to tell you to locate your fabric, label it using a piece of masking tape, label your bag. We've already done that, so check off step 1. Above it is the supplies that you need. It says a rectangle of fabric, which you already have, thread to match you have. Later you're going to need 2 cups of rice, a 18-inch piece of yarn, and the large baggie labeled with your name and period number. You already have that as well. So in the first direction, check. 2, fold your fabric in half lengthwise, putting the right sides together. So I've taken my fabric, I've folded it. Right sides means the good sides are on the inside. My name should be sticking out. I am going to match the corners first to make sure both of these are matched up evenly. Then I'm going to go to the other corner. Do the corners first. It will make life a lot easier. So everybody is going to pin down. If you pin like this with it away from you, I think it's easiest to do it. You're going to match up your fabric each time you go through, down and up, pop it through, down and up. You're going to do this about every 2 to 3 inches. Pop it down, come up. Again, you're making sure that these are matched, because if not, you're going to sew through one side and you're not going to catch the sewing on your other. Down and up. Now, if you are right-handed, you're going to turn your fabric this way. Your fold will be under your left hand. You will put 2 pins down at the bottom, or at least 1, so that you know that's the bottom. If you're left-handed, your pins are going to be down the left side because you want to use your left hand to take it out. And you are going to put a pin down at the bottom down here. All right, so we're done with steps 2 and 3, so you've checked them off. We're going on to number 4, which means we're going to be using a straight stitch. Just pulling my machine. Number 3 straight stitch, so at the top of the machine, stitch length of 3. I am going to put this underneath the presser foot, and I'm going to get started with my sewing. I am going to sew down after doing my back stitch, so forward 3, backwards 3. I'm going to start down. I'm keeping it even with the outside of the presser foot, not the inside, and I am not crossing the 10 line. When I get to a pin, I am going to stop. I am going to remove the pin. We don't want to run over the pins in class. Put it on my pin cushion, and I'm going to keep going. Again, outside of the presser foot, don't cross the 10 line. If you're sewing with it under the presser foot, you're going to have a problem because one feed dog is working and it's going to pull you, and you're going to be too close to the edge, so your stitches will actually fall out of the edge. Okay, again, take out your pin. If you're right-handed, you're using your right hand to remove your pins. If you're left-handed, you're going to use your left hand. I'm right-handed, though sometimes I do sew with either hand. Okay, I'm sewing a lot faster than you would be. When you get to the end, we're going to stop. You're going to get right to the edge of the fabric. You're going to use your hand wheel. Take 2 stitches or 3. If you do 2 and there's a lot of fabric left over, do it one more time. Plant the needle. Turn the corner. Sew all the way to the edge. Now you've already gone forward. You're going to use your hand wheel. Plant that needle. Come back and come forward. Take it out. And then we'll move on to the next step in the next video.